Let's have a look at our current Burger application state. In the checkout page in the contact data container there, if we have a look at that container, we see that we got some general state set up at the top of the page. And we, of course, also in there have our submit method where we submit our order to a server and where we also pass some data. Now, the customer data which is set up here is not synced to this state at all. Actually, not even the fields are equal. Now, part of that module will be to sync that up. But also if we have a look at the form itself, we have a couple of normal input elements there. Leave aside that they're not even styled. We don't really handle their input. We don't really handle when the value changes, leave alone that we would validate the input the user left. So the first step is that we will have to decide which kind of data do we need, that we then store this in the state. Then it would be best if we even find a way of dynamically generating our form. And then, of course, as a last step, also not only handle the form submission, but also to handle the form validity or check the form validity and change the styling of our form based on the validity, for example. These are all things I want to do. And for that, I'll start by putting these input elements here into custom components, which have a standardized styling, maybe have a default label, and also later will be extended to have room for error messages. So one step after the other, let's start by putting inputs into their own component.